If you are new, then subscribe our channel Techno Trend and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates.
Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Techno Trend. I am your friend Sam, and today I will tell you about 7 hidden features of Android that you won't be aware of, so let's get started. Despite all the differences in hardware and software design among phones such as the OnePlus Nord, Samsung's Galaxy S20 or TCL's new 10 series phones, the core experience is nearly the same. They're all powered by Android, after all, and have the same features, a few of which are hidden. 1. Quiet the notifications that can wait. Tired of every single notification causing your phone to bleep or boop? Tell your Android phone when you want an app to give silent alerts by long pressing on the alert until you trigger a prompt asking if you want the notification to be marked as an alert or silent. Alert will allow the app's notifications to play sounds and show up on the lock screen, while silent will mute the alert but still make it visible in your notification tray. 2. Add captions to any video or podcast. Live Caption is an impressive, yet relatively new feature that's slowly making its way to more devices. When active, it adds real-time captions to any video, podcast or voice note on your phone. It doesn't matter if the video you're watching is muted, Live Caption will still transcribe it for you. To turn on Live Caption or check if your phone is supported, open the Settings app and search for Live Caption. After turning on Live Caption, anytime you begin playing a video, even if you leave the volume turned off, a small black box will show up on your screen, including real-time dictation of whatever's being said. 3. Use 2 apps at the same time. One of my favorite features in Android is being able to have 2 apps on the screen at the same time. It's handy when I'm looking at a Google Doc and sending an email, or when I'm looking up a recipe and sending the ingredient list in Messages. But it's not entirely clear how to get apps in split screen mode. Tap on the App Switcher button, or if you're using Android 10 gestures, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to enter the multitasking view, and tap on the app icon at the top of an app's card or thumbnail, followed by split screen. The first app will slide to the top of the screen, and the multitasking view will take up the bottom section of your screen. Either select another app from the multitasking view or launch an app from your home screen or app drawer. Not every app will support split screen mode, and the only way I can figure out to tell if an app lacks support is to simply try opening it in split screen. 5. Use Smart Lock to keep your phone unlocked when you're home. One of my favorite hidden features can keep you from having to enter your PIN or scan your fingerprint whenever you're home or at work. You can set it to keep your phone unlocked when you're in a specific location. You can also set it to keep the phone unlocked when it detects you're active, like when you're walking around while holding the phone pressed to your face or speaking over Bluetooth on wireless headphones. Open Settings Security Smart Lock and enter your PIN code when prompted. From there, you can pick which aspect of Smart Unlock you want to use and when. Just keep in mind that if you have Smart Lock set to keep your phone unlocked at home, that means anyone you live with will be able to get into it. 6. Recover accidentally cleared notifications. Ever tap the button to clear your notification tray, only to notice an alert you needed to read at the last second? I know I have. Thankfully, there's a hidden notification log that will show you a running tally of every alert and notification you've received for the past few days. The only way to access it is through a home screen widget. Long press on any empty spot on your screen, then select Widgets from the menu. Find the Settings option, then select Notification Log. The next time you miss an alert, tap the widget and you'll see a list of all of your alerts. If your phone doesn't have a notification log, give the unnotification. 7. Quickly share your Wi-Fi network creds with friends. Giving your Wi-Fi network password to a friend or family member can be a hassle, especially if it's a long, complex series of numbers and letters. Or you may be hesitant to hand over your credentials because it's a password you use somewhere else. I get it. Granted, having people over or visiting a friend's home is something most of us are avoiding right now, but as stay-at-home orders begin to lift and things begin to return to normal, it's sure to come in handy. Thankfully, with Android 10, you can display a QR code on your phone's screen that will allow anyone who scans it to connect to your Wi-Fi network. You can scan or create a QR code on your device by opening the Settings app and selecting Network Wi-Fi. If you're sharing your network credentials, tap on the network name and then Share. If you're connecting to a Wi-Fi network, tap on the QR code icon next to Add Network. Since you guys have come this far, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.